Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put 4 numbering list on one line in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to put 4 numbering list on same line. At first, go to the home menu. Select the new slide drop down menu and choose blank. Then go to the insert menu. Click the text box option and draw a text box. Then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go back the home menu and click the numbering drop down menu. Now I am choose the numbering list. Then increase the numbering list. Then select the text box, then click right button on our mouse and copy the text box. Then click right button again and paste in this page. Then move side by side. Then paste again and move side by side. Paste 3 times and move side by side, and we can see we make 4 numbering list on same line very easily. You can change any text. Click before inside the text box and select the text, then change the number list. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.